and we're ready to go. We're headed to Great Wolf Lodge in Cincinnati, Ohio for Snowland. We hear it snows in the lobby. There's going to be a visit from Santa, story time in our pajamas, plus all of the water park fun Great Wolf Lodge is known for. We really can't wait to check it all out. We just did story time and now we're ready to go for a late night swim. We love that the Great Wolf Lodge's pool and water park is open from 10 to 10 every day. So much fun.
Excited to go down the big slides and play. And Madeline is not a huge fan of getting her hair wet, but there's plenty of stuff for her to do in the little kid section. And Ellie is a big fan of the big water slide, and she can't wait to go on the big blue tube. And we are just having a blast.